How to add bots on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add bots to your Discord server, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to add bots to your Discord server, it's very simple to do so. Open up a new browser and go to this website, which I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Just go to top.gg. Once you go to top.gg, over here you're going to be landed on this page where you can simply explore millions of Discord bots and servers. Over here, what you want to do is simply select a Discord bot that you would like to add to your server. Once you simply select it, you can view all of the details and the powers and the functions that this bot can perform for your server. If you look on the right hand side, you'll find the invite button. Make sure to click the invite button here. Once you click the invite button over here, it allows you to this page where first of all you have to select your correct server where you want to add. Once you've done so, click the continue button here, and then also make sure to authorize everything that this permission that it requires, and then make sure to verify the I'm not a robot captcha. Once you've done that, you'll be able to add these bots to your Discord server. And that's all it takes to add bots to your server. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.